it's Brooke with WTI. Do you want to help your kids make good choices by using napkins instead of rubbing their hands on everything else? Well, check out here Amazing Abby's acrylic napkin or towel holder. This is really efficient and it works wonderfully. Just as described, it's very durable. I love this acrylic material. It's pretty and it's brand new looking, even though I've used it so much. I love how shiny it is. It's also smooth, so I'm not likely to scratch myself while quickly grabbing a napkin. And I love the design because it's easy to grab a napkin because it's open in the front. Also, because of this gel on the bottom, it's really great for not having this move as you're grabbing a napkin. So it stays sturdy and in place. I love the way that it looks, and it fits in smaller spaces because it is 8.5 inch by 4.5 inches, and it just looks really nice in the bathroom, next to my sink, in the kitchen, also just on my dining room table. This saves me money with not using up all my paper towels, but also it helps with being convenient. So when we have a meal, our napkins are already there. I don't have to run into the kitchen every time I accidentally spill. So this is a wonderful product. I love how it looks, and it really does make sense to have a napkin holder. I like that it holds this horizontal napkin because it allows me to get the wider ones, especially if I want to use it for an event. But it's also really great for decorative napkins because you can see through it. And it looks really great with the very common square napkin that you can buy. It just goes up a little higher. So it's really practical. But that's just my point of view.